Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you four major breaking stories. Stories about peace, politics, trade, regional diplomacy, and rising local tensions. Before we proceed with this update, please hit the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. In Juba, call to release political detainees. According to report in Juba today, a strong debate took place inside the Transitional National Legislative Assembly. Lawmakers demanded the release of all political detainees, saying this step is important from moving the 2018 peace agreement forward. The discussion began when the peace monitoring body, the reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission, RJMAC, presented its quarterly report. During the session, members of parliament, Mary Nyirikir Lorjok, welcomed the report but did not hold back. She said clearly that the continued detention of political figures is stopping the country from moving toward peace. According to her, you cannot talk of real dialogue or reconciliation when key leaders are still locked up. She argued that freeing detainees would open the way for open conversation, trust building, and true unity among political groups. Another lawmaker, Festo Kumba from Western Equatoria, supported this point. He warned that the country's political situation remains fragile. He said the longer these detentions continue, the more the peace roadmap gets delayed, including plan for the upcoming election is scheduled for 2026. But not everyone agreed. Members of parliament, MP Daniel Abosha Ali, pushed back. He said releasing people who have serious criminal case is not the answer. Instead, he called for faster legal procedure so the court can decide who is guilty and who is innocent. This disagreement shows a divided parliament with different ideas on how to address the country's political tension. RJMAC report highlighted that South Sudan is facing rising insecurity, a slow implementation of peace talk, and delayed in completing the security arrangement. These issues are putting pressure on the 2018 peace deal and threatening preparation for the 2026 election. As the debate continues, many citizens say they want peace, stability, and political fairness, not more delay. This story is still developing, and Changfied News will keep following it. Before we move on, please hit the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Our second top story, South Sudan reject Kenya 5,000 security fee. In our second headline, the government of South Sudan has strongly rejected a new security fee introduced by Kenyan authorities, a fee of $5,000 per shipping container. This decision has caused outrage among traders and led to serious delays at the Mombasa port, where hundreds of containers belonging to South Sudanese importers are now stuck. Trade and Industry Minister Atonkol Manyang spoke out. She said the government will not accept unfair financial pressure that harm South Sudanese business people. According to the minister, the 5,000 fee called the container security charge has increased costs and slow down import activities, risking shortage and rising market prices at home. To trader, Minister Atong announced several new measures. First, the whole container tracking fee of 3,850 has been completely removed. Second, the government will review all import-related fees to make sure traders are not exploited. Third, a national committee has been formed to clean up the system, removed illegal charge, and investigate private agents collecting unauthorized payments. Fourth, consultation will be held across major trading towns to hear directly from traders and transporters. The minister emphasized that trade is the backbone of the country. Any unfair treatment at foreign port impacts every household in South Sudan. Economic analysts say the dispute could affect relations with Kenya if it is not resolved quickly. Many traders fear their goods may spoil or be lost if delay continues. As this story unfolds, Changfied News will keep you updated on the situation at the Mombasa port and the response from both governments. Let's move on to our third top story. Adut Kir meet former President Thabo Mbeki. Moving to our third top story, South Sudan Senior Presidential Envoy, Honorable Adut Kir, met with former South African President Thabo Mbeki in Johannesburg. The meeting took place on December 9, 2025, and focused on peace effort and cooperation across Africa. According to officials, their discussion included the ongoing conflict in Sudan, the disputed region of Abyei, South Sudan preparation for elections, strengthening South Sudan institutions, and a skilled workforce. The Thabo Mbeki Foundation expressed readiness to support South Sudan through a scholarship program, training opportunities, and governance mentorship. Both sides agreed to continue working together, especially in areas of peace building and leadership development. Honorable Adut Kir visit will continue with a leader retreat in South Africa. This retreat will bring together government officials and opposition representatives for discussion aimed at building trust and reducing political tension ahead of the 2026 elections. This meeting showed that South Sudan continued to seek support from regional leaders to secure stable governance and long-term peace. Let's move on to our fourth story. Gabriel Magogbol denies arrest. Our final story today focuses on new tension in Pijar County. Former Commissioner Gabriel Magogbol has strongly denied report that he was arrested by the newly appointed Commissioner Stephen Guy. Speaking to Sudan Post, Magog said, "I was not arrested. I'm still the Commissioner of Pijar County." He argued that according to the 2018 peace agreement, he has not been officially removed from office. Magog said the rumors were spread intentionally to confuse the public. He also revealed that 3 of his bodyguards were killed in an attack by Guy team. An incident he claimed was an attempt to forcefully take over the office without following the correct legal process. Magog said he has not run away from the county, as some people claim. Instead, he said he's awaiting clear instruction from the first Vice President, Dr. Riek Machar, about the leadership situation in Pijar County. He also warned that the security situation is getting worse. According to him, a non-army group have been attacking civilians, killing people, and sexually assaulting women, raising fear among local residents. The conflict between the two commissioners has increased political tension in the area, with communities divided over who is the rightful leader. As more detail emerge, Changfied News will continue monitoring the situation and bring you verified update. Thank you for watching Changfied News. We continue to stand with the peace report, the truth, and speak for the vulnerable. For more updates, remember to subscribe to Changfied, like the video, and stay connected. Biya kamal gwasme ka Changfied YouTube channel. Ban right chekale kon lat korodian. Kan konun yam gono jin bi channel bi support bi subscribe ko bi notification bell bi jetwany. Ko bi ler kon lat ko gwasme bi kan chwa shu. Ler nyam ban ling gwasme ban right kaler mi shalat gwasme. Shalari wunene kinetic condolence peace ki members of parliament wa shol ken kume kirme yadit ano de nete konen cha yen tente ke blue house menete konen te cha yen doli ken tike dakma cha lat ken no de kalun te ga diben mi to ke gwam mi na right tin la transitional national legislative assembly mala latke wa chi lama kar chi gane demand no the all political detainees ne dia konen cha yen rewi ki juba de ga dilun ken me de la important long ke qui malka won kindang rewal badak e cha tanya dakma char ken kirmi yadit ko de na wo woniam re malka no mo chala do shi kan nyur ka shi ga rightin ke qui malka kel genetin kon tin gor kamal ala peace monitoring body in chal ke RJ Mac the reconstituted joint monitoring and evaluation commission wa ken te report mi kan lat mi chala quarterly report ta dan wo ngwane ke je kajan session kire rajmo MP Mary Nyirekir Lorjok acheno ko lunga report mo ko shaje nunga ken chinyam che jelaro ne ki chi ko mom chale MP Mary yo jelaro ne ne jena duobo mom yan kana ko ngunare yen jen jak mal ko che betere we ka South Sudan akalo nke ba mal ba jelat cha mal cha je de lat ka tan enden konte cha mal cha je tan ti gre ti jen mo der kulo gwadi de mal de jegde mi ke leader tiga yena lock up ka cha no no lo ngeka shela de wonene ajen mu waklun ajen ba mal be yulep be mal be shuleb nono ajen gor jen de ne dial de kalun ko de na ben ka peace building an gorke ko jen do dan nan yam ka jen mat boni ken lonyen kontin treti jen ajen mu wakam real ke dial ti jen tel me peno bi mal be ben rewi ke South Sudan ka jodan chalat do no man la de gwas me chay nyoko mul lukaje aramkel another lawmaker chela do nena wun mishale festo kumba mute western quarter state rama me mishale festo kumba no ko jen wo de neti de kalun che supported no chela do gwa woni dial kon ya yende kalun but te aramkel mishale members of parliament Daniel Abusha ka jodan chalat gwaseme aneti content che rachet ke loma kare chale festo kumba chela do ne na gode kulun ke kwin kwar 2026 ko metele ka kan kulun tel gwan ba election ke 2026 ba jalat ke je unless ya kon lun ke te jenden ba malama ba je kulalat ban me kan mal kana ko la lo kan ga kon lun ke ne tel mishale national election mo balat ke 2026 duno shi MP Daniel chela do ne members of parliament Daniel Abusha Ali chela do ne Jawute ramu cha yen muteka duir mi de loñ jena cha ne ti cha ga de loñ du do de jongne ten kon lo ko ken go malaka luk ko baram gondir baje yen ka baram te dur baje loñ ne me che disagreement che ken ngre parliament lo chi gru divided ken de kon te ga parliament te ne de gore jeno de ne de kon cha yen la political detention ki political detainees kon ne kon ya yen gore ge jeno de ka loñ ka tana la de no cha je de loñ ene ko la no de ko ngene de goro de mal de ben ka Sudan ko de na ka 2018 peace agreement ko de jenang niam banere ko kene ken no cha ga de lun RJ Mac ci ka report ji kan la de wonene ken do bo dan tin security te ga jere wi ka South Sudan o kan peace kan implement so ku je mo eno bi mal ben goro je no ken de ala kontin go ken no gwach de ka dire aleka ko de 2018 peace deal de nyomu kwa je continue ko de na ka 2026 election agwa aterek baneme ta logo jeno ba mal ba je tanya ke logo jeno ba ne ko na yere ti jen logo jeno ba galun jaga wi ko beti chunga no so chidi be de mo she continue kaka lar ken no de ne ti de galun gene logo no ba galun so ba ne je continue gwaten be any development ba je no je kem bro de gero rei raja dan ken lat wana kala rara da gwasme please go no jin be subscribe mi kan subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel chan roi gwasa me ka jomo chalat ci South Sudan ci ken yuri chop ke kinadang die US dollar ci ken ga logo no bi ken ga yorpin kinadang die US dollar to ka ti chala da kumi Kenya no de ga yorpin ka kwi kwangden kon la no ga gwas do dien la shipping container kwak ten kon la goods ke kwak miet men kwak tungni wal ti dial ko la non ke gare yir no no chala do container kel da yikte ke yuri chop ke kin dang die ajen le ran baling ne me ka jo chalat gwase me wa government of South Sudan kum South Sudan ti kana look and wone ne biga yu ti chop ke kin dang die US dollar tin chala da kum Kenya eno de European ne dial kondila trader and decision mission kana me che gak mi di che non kana de kondila South Sudanese ka ta dan en cha kwa kin cha non ka Mombasa port but cha kwa cha no go de ka jende were we ka South Sudan wa 100 of container la container shop ke kin ke ti chop ko kuro woniam kan container to kwa gradient kwa la nan ka South Sudan ti la no ko we do dien ba ki import no ba ka no ngre wich wa kwa dia to wa tam chika stuck ke chika pek wa da dan chal ke Mombasa port trade ken industry minister atong kwal manyang chela do ne chiga raja George chela do ne ajena kume shikan na me chikan bino no dobo kwana chenga jega jama kume amraike Kenya ko yorka you to chop ke 5000 fee ka kui container konde nangrai wich ka South Sudan ti cha yor pinyane dial ka jodan chikan lat wana me 5000 US dollar yorka pintini wa container security charge no akenichine bi yor pinka euro chit ketene ko cha yor pin bo ne de koken no wa do be me UT 5000 o ba ga yor pin wa jen me jak container ko bi chubra wi ka South Sudan ki kwak dal konen cha no wi da dien nang dire wi ka South Sudan ajen mu ku kala delay mene tin jene gwas mene ka jo dana chala da ken gwa de dan me la container la kanu ka ki kwak gon la bana nang re wi ka South Sudan kanone den winerar bu ben ka jen Mombasa port ke Kenya buga we rewi ka South Sudan ajana menyam ajana container tracking fee yodi la yor ka pinka container wa ke kin dang dok ude ku dang badda gudi jen dang de US dollar 3850 US dollar ka gwase dan antama kene cha ka we ka titene kan yoro ti ya lam 5000 US dollar ken me chi chong akene be government badil newton mi chit kana me ka tada nunga kwa ka jere wi ka South Sudan ano kan kwakti ki yudi 5000 chala ti ba yor pin me to ko pujino de ga yor pin ki che chon akume be newton national committee no chikala do ne benetin diala kontin chalat de yor pin chire kan ti chalka ti 5000 feastin kone de yor pin kan to kan all this ba ka deal watch ene milari goni ba je investigate and then bane diala kon tin cha pegme cha yunial me to ko puje jen yor pinya ne dial ki South Sudanese ka rodi en yor pinya la trade reken ba je dil gije kuma nyen do dan chi pektin na mo ngai kon diale no ko kwang ni tila no karar kan ko kwala chamo re wike South Sudan mi chi kwak chi ga jan di ene no na de kan de na chu je lung re wike ka junub ko jen gwa dan kwa dial kwa gale kwa tridial kwa nung tin ba kwak ba nung ka country dodian then ba nung re wika South Sudan but right now chukuma Kenya chicken fees ke you to ken nyom ku introduce la you to 5000 US dollar ke you to cha de luang so ne me le rode ba nung update ka gwasen be wana ka jo chalat gwaseme ke kwi adut kir miyadit chi je kana kwer ke former president Sabo South Sudan senior presidential envoy honorable Adut Kirmiyadi chiga jekana former South African president wude chala Thabo Mbeki ka Johannesburg chiga jek ka jen changa bangwan ka paiwaro ronkin dangro jen dangro wi de ka chiga right ka tungwan kana chiga rian mat kel ko biga let no ko biga corporate ka bugane dial bugane lat kel according to official ka jodan chalat gwasme watin konen chiga right tin do badana de kor to go re wike Sudan de kapchongo je koran to re wike Sudan de kapchongo de wachi right bega kwiko NRBA la disputed region do badana de ben gajere wike South Sudan ko ji abe lat kano de ka ji South Sudan wa do badana bajere likeje wachi right tin ba anyok bani wa dud bokana jen kwermo wachi right boka do badana de election 2026 de jelat keje cha dud bochi right ke kwide anyok gwasme chikara jone ne South Sudan institution do badana de ne diala content gwasmo de ga train keje especially government workers do badana de kan take skill keje ke ta dan de na let keje la skill workforce gor keje bo an go kan dialti de ga dil train bane chigar right tin wone ne do dan de tung wande ga ladalung wa jen mu adut ke je re which ka South Africa money adut kin mi yadit cha jien cha wen winimi ko bu ko right ken je South Africa ko de je lokka do dan de kum South Sudan de ron nyam ke je jena dan en le ro de no ba de wan kwa je da long ngum nang adut serve ke mi yadit ke 2026 election ngoda te ti ka tung wan bu re lat ka gwasen be wana wo nyam re ler kaname ler dien gwasme mala final Gabriel Magogbol che la do jene kana yen Gabriel Magogbol ka ler dien jen ran akwera spele mayo ka kuma dat kuma char jen ramimo mi cha kwanye wala commissioner enjen cha kwanye la commissioner ka Pijar County jen chale former commissioner Gabriel Magogbol ko jen chala do chaje wuch Nathaniel Woyet re kuma ka chaje gono jin beben pin chara dien chaje kwany wun michal ke Stephen Guy Stephen Guy wajen chaje penuder la kwer gwade dan chaje kwanya Nathaniel Woyetin wacho korcho jetok shu Gabriel Magogbol chwela do nene ajene cha aros nike cha kan dio ja aros nike dichop kare ki dichop ko diok are kurmo jene kine to chigaliu but chela do jene kana yen nyok jene kan jen boka Pijar jene also I'm still the commissioner of Pijar County jene kana konwood chela do nene ajene male chata ke 2018 peace agreement ajen jago bette ko bette ko office dunga spila yo chade bo jetema ba wo je nimi chireng ma cha che berar la dak ma char me berar ka tujen tera rek de kapin so ka jodan chelat men chala long chala do nene cha bodi gane ka dang jok cha kanak ka kwi ko chelo gono wo jaro wi kwam a guy team ala guy Stephen Guy dan cha kam men cha kam commissioner enona magok chela do nene en kan roda bare wich tare wi ngodare wich en gwasamo ajene en ba ben pin ni cha vice president dar ma char chaje kamrar ka chela ro chawuj den gwad dan boro do wikeje otherwise ngoda tare kwerka ajen tadan chela kije so ne me ajen lere jok en de konaling en ban je ka le rodian chui poro jeno jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi je support ka bi subscribe ka bi notification bar bi je twan ka bi comment ka bi like and video and bi atemal bye bye